Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today's tutorial is on the left twist and right twist stitches. These stitches are a great alternative to cables. So let's take a look at a beanie that I just made. So this is my latest design. I'm using the left twist stitches. You see these stitches here, they're leaning towards the left. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have a little sample. These are the left twist stitches. We'll start with the left twist stitches. So I'm just going to purl the wrong side of my work. Okay, so I'm knitting to the 2 stitches. These are the 2 stitches that I'm going to work the left twist stitch. Insert your needle through the back loop of the second stitch. So you want to knit the second stitch through the back loop, and then do not slide your stitches off your needle. You then want to knit the first stitch through the back loop, the one that you skipped. So knit through the back loop of the first stitch. And then now you're ready to slide all those stitches off your left hand needle. All right, so let's work that one more time. Knit the second stitch through the back loop, and then leave the stitches on your left hand needle. And you want to knit the first stitch through the back loop. Okay, right there in the back loop. So knit the first stitch. Now you're ready to slide the 2 stitches off your left hand needle. All right, so that's how you work the left twist stitch. So let's work the right twist stitch. So here is the first option. You want to knit the second stitch. Okay, so skip the first stitch, knit the second stitch, and not sliding your stitches off yet. You want to work a knit stitch in the first stitch. Now you can slide off your stitches. All right, here's another option to work the right twist. You want to knit 2 together. So insert your needle through both stitches as if you're knitting 2 together. And then do not slide your stitches off. You want to separate those 2 stitches and knit through the first stitch. Okay, so that's the other option, and I prefer this option better actually. Now you can slide your stitches off. All right, so let's work the right twist stitch again. So working in the second stitch, you want to knit the second stitch, and without sliding your stitches off your left hand needle, you want to insert your needle into the first stitch and knit the first stitch. Okay, and now you can slide those 2 stitches off of your left hand needle. All right, so let's work the right twist one more time with the knit 2 together method. So knit 2 together, inserting your needle through both stitches, and knit both stitches together. Now separate the 2 stitches and insert your needle through the first stitch and knit the first stitch. Now you can slide both stitches off of your left hand needle. All right, so here's a completed sample of the left and right twist stitches. You can see the stitches are leaning to the left for the bottom one, and for the right twist, it goes towards the right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.